What's up, my good people? Isaac's the artist. Yes, you know what time is it? That's me on Instagram right there. Okay, the business of today. Today, I just wanna show you guys how I made this quickly, nice and easy. It's not gonna take time. It's gonna be sweet. It's gonna be nice. So, without wasting time, let's do this. Okay, remember that I'm always on perspective, not orthographic. Prefer this one. We can get rid of this guy. Delete. Press 7. I just want to start from the top. Click, hold, select that one. Okay. I'm just eyeballing things, really. Yeah. Not really thinking about the scale. Okay. Press OK, press 1, press G, I'll move this somewhere there. Okay. Move that again. Let me put it here. Shift D to make a double K to make a copy of that. Oh. I'm gonna leave it here for now. Come to edges, select those twos. It's a sheet now. Select the sheet. Let's patch this. Okay, now it's a solid. Okay. Ooh, that is wonderful. Let's select this. Shift D, right? To make a copy from the faces. Press 7. Make sure we're on X-ray mode. Press S twice. Move this. Yes. Wonderful. And now while the sheet is selected, let's add some thickness to this. You know? Okay. I like what I'm seeing. Come to sheet solid. Let's select this. Press S just once. Okay. Just once. And yes, that will do. Let's bring these two together. Press Q twice and press enter to union. Okay. Leave it there. And leave it there. Press 7 again. Come to faces, select that. Press O to offset this. Think I want to leave it here. Okay. Shift D again. Move this up. Okay. Let's thicken this once more. Right? But that will do. Okay. Let's move this here. Okay. Select this, hold shift, select that. Press Q, shift Q. Okay. Now let's delete this. And now let's just press Alt. You hold Alt or press Alt, select that. Okay. I like this. Go in there, Control C to make a copy. All right. Hold Alt, select that. Come in there, Control V to paste. Ladies and gentlemen. Oh, like what I'm seeing so far, can't really complain. Press 7 again. Okay. Let's move in. I think this will do. Okay. Do that again. Press B to smooth that. Okay. Press C, select that, press OK, press Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Do the same again. Press. Slip the spine. Press C. Select this body. Okay. Now let's hide this. Let's get rid of that. Now let's just select that. Just move it down just to give it a little depth. A little depth. Let's leave it there. You will work on that later on. And yes. Okay. And now, don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. Okay. Looking at this. Do that. Ooh, woo, woo, woo. That's wonderful. Or it can just smooth it instead of putting hard edges there. The choice is yours. Okay. So many ways of doing this. Let's look at this from the bottom, right? Come here again, select that. Yes, press B. Yes, yes, yes. Can't complain. Select that, press 1. Just want to see this from the front so I can just eyeball the length. Perfect. Wonderful. Okay. Wonderful. Copy this. Okay. Select that and paste. Can't really complain. Can't really complain. G2. Yes. Before we do anything, before we join the two, Alt X. Let's mirror that. Press OK. Now we can bring both holes together. Press Q twice. Press OK. Let me see how it looks. It looks exactly the way I want it to look. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's see that. Let me just remove the competition plane for the time being. Remember to always save your progress. We made quite progress to this point. Let me also smooth this one. No. Yes. Ooh. Okay, so far so good. Can't really complain. Things going smooth. Smoothie. Okay. Select that. Press 1. Wonderful. Wonderful. Excellent. Okay. Let's join the two. Q twice. Press enter. And then let's work on the bevel. This has to be a tight one. Q2. Why you? Yes. Okay, I see what's happening. I see what's happening. Okay. Okay, I was trying to improvise, but that's not how I did it. Either way, it's okay, but I'm gonna do it the way I did it. Okay? Press G once, press G once. This should go in there, right? That circle still there. Wonderful. Okay. Slip this tube. Press Q once. Press Q once. And just move it in and press OK. We can do that. Press OK. Okay. Yes. And now I can select that. Shift D. Okay. Shift D. Beacon. Okay. Put this here. Right. Come here. Offset this just a bit. Press 1. Yes. 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 Like that one and voila. Okay, I should extend these. Should extend that. Okay, that's great. Select that part, press 1. Okay, this should be here, right? Okay, see what I should do first. Okay. Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, press O, and yes. Press 1. Wait a minute, why am I messing this up? Why am I messing this up? Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Control Z again. My bad, my bad. This is small, right? And then that's that part. And I should do this part. Should do this. Goes long. Okay. Somewhere here. Press O again. Select that. Press O. Press 1. Uh-huh. Now I got it. 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 My bad. My bad. My bad. I got it. I'm gonna leave it there. Now it's time for me to just smooth things out. You know, smooth, 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 smooth things out. Almost messed this up. Okay, my bad. That's what you get sometimes when you try to replicate things exactly the way they are. Okay, that should do. What's left is this, the final piece of the jigsaw. Select this. Okay, Shift D, right? Press S twice. Yes. Press 1. The sheet is still selected. You can come here. Click on this. Now you can see the whole thing. Yes. Lovely. Okay. Let me just press period button to isolate this. Right. Smooth it in just a bit. Okay. Select this, Shift D. Just smooth it up. Put it here. See that? Press the period button to bring everything back. Okay. Period button. Do that. Okay. Just make sure you hide this. Period button, bring everything back. That's the piece that I want. Select this and select this new piece I made. Press Q once. Press OK. Now we're just gonna work on this. Okay. Just like that, people. I believe we are done. Like I said, this was never gonna trouble us except for that part that almost messed it up. Let's bring this to the other side. Alt X. Okay. Make sure to join the two halves. Shift, select those two, Alt X. Okay. I like what I'm seeing, ladies and gentlemen. What is left is that part. I can also visualize these, quickly visualize these before. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, any other thing that I should select? No. White plastic, press M. Oh, let's give this a color. Maybe something black. I don't know. Rock. That's of 15. See how it looks. This metals. It's gonna go with iron. Press M. Roughness. Roughness is great. All that's left is this 2. Okay. Just gonna use the rubber material just for visualization purposes. Just want you guys to see. Okay, see those nice edges, the way they're curved, they look nice. Okay. Oh yeah, this is pretty good, really. Came out better than expected. What is left is this lightning thing. This is not a material, ladies and gentlemen. It's a mesh. Let me show you what I did. Right. I'm just gonna press 1 to bring this to the front. Okay. Show my lines. Outlier. Let me import something. Let me import this. Okay. First of all, let me move it back. Press 1 again. Let me press M. Bring this to the front. Okay. Just lower the opacity. Excellent. Yes. As twice. Just resize these too big. You know what? Yeah, like this. Doesn't matter now. Let's just quickly go through this. Nice and easy. Okay. No pressure. No pressure. No pressure. No pressure. No pressure. Okay, we can hide this. Let's isolate this curve. Okay, do that. Just wanna hide the splines as well. That's spline. Okay, select these guys, select these guys, select these guys. So, ladies and gentlemen, to this point, I have demonstrated to you guys how to quickly make this model. Okay, make sure nothing is selected. Press period button to bring everything back. Move that in. Okay. Why am I missing this? Press G. Move that in. Can press the X just to see where it goes. Doesn't really matter, to be honest. I'm just gonna leave it there. Select this, hold shift, select that, press Q once, shift Q. Okay. You can hide this by pressing H or delete it. Either way, when we come to this visualization, you can see that it's a mesh. Okay, you can put any material that you feel like. Let me select it. It's nothing that close here. Okay, I'm just gonna go with the plastic. Press M, just go for something bluish. This color, however this color is. Yes, guys, thank you very much for watching the tutorial to this point. I'm very much grateful. If there's any suggestion, please drop that in the comments. If there's anything that you like here, that you see, that you want me to demonstrate for you guys here on the channel, please come to this. I'll make sure we arrange something and we just have fun with it. You know what I'm saying? Otherwise, as just the artist, I'm out.